Are you ready to open the box? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Can we open the box now?
No.
Okay, come on. So what are we gonna open today?
It's a dinosaur.
Yeah, it's a dinosaur. Do you know what dinosaur this one is?
T-Rex.
It's a T-Rex. And what's this little dinosaur?
Jurassic.
It's a Velociraptor. Can you say hi?
Hi.
Hi. Are you ready to open it? Okay, come on. Let's sit here and open. Sit. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so it has all these things in it. Okay, how many dinosaurs does it have?
T-Rex, Velociraptor, car.
It has a car.
Oh, ready? I take it off.
You want me to take it off?
Huh?
So that's a green T-Rex, right? What's this?
Velociraptor.
Velociraptor. You want to show it to your friends? Show it. And then there was a yellow Jeep, right? A yellow car. Look. What's happening? You dancing?
Yeah, I got you.
You dancing. Do you want to show everything? What is that?
Huh. Velociraptor.
Velociraptor.
Velociraptor stay. Velociraptor stay.
What else came in the box?
Stand.
What else? What's this?
Stand to me.
What's this?
T-Rex. Three T-Rex.
And also came with this stuff. What is this?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Neither am I. I don't know what this is either. And it came with these two little... Where's the other man?
Man.
Where's the other man gone?
The man done.
Where did the man go? Here. It came with these two men as well. And then there was also this helicopter in it, which he took out before we opened the box. And it came with these miniature eggs and dinosaurs. So I think we're gonna open these, and I think we can close the eggs with the dinosaurs in them. Right, Zar? You want to put the dinosaurs in the egg? And then it came with these two trees. Plastic trees.
Oh.
Oh. So let's put the trees here. Let's put this big T-Rex. I think it makes some noise, Zar. You want to see if it makes a noise?
Okay.
Oh, tuk 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 tuk. Or
Oh, hey, stop hitting me.
Okay, I'm sorry, T-Rex.
Ah.
Oh! Duk, 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 duk. Pyum, pyum, pyum. Pew, 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 pew. Oh. We have this little egg. Zar, what's this?
Egg.
Yeah, it's a dinosaur egg.
That's your egg.
Yeah, and we have 4 little baby dinosaurs. You want to show them? Show it to them. Ah, can't see. Oh, there you go. There you go. Ah, so you have 4 little dinosaurs. You want to tell your friends what dinosaurs these are? Huh? You want to show them? Okay, do you know what this dinosaur is? Look, this one.
4 dinosaurs.
Which dinosaur is it?
4 dinosaurs.
What 4 dinosaurs? Yeah, there are 4 dinosaurs. There's 4 dinosaurs. Which one is this?
T-Rex.
It's a little baby T-Rex.
Little baby T-Rex.
Yeah, it's a little baby T-Rex.
Aww.
Okay, which one is this? Which dinosaur is this?
Stegosaurus.
Yeah, it's a little Stegosaurus. Oh, there you go. Which one is this?
Baby Triceratops.
Yeah, it's a little baby Triceratops. Aww. And what's this?
Dinosaur.
Is it a Minosaur? Looks like a Parasaurolophus.
Triceratops.
I'm not sure which one this is, but I think it is a baby Parasaurolophus. Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so there's that. And then there's this little egg. So let's put the babies in the egg. You want to do? You want to put the T-Rex's baby in the egg?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. Okay, look. I'm going to put it in like this.
Okay. I have you.
Put the baby T-Rex in the egg. Here. Put the baby. Yeah.
Welcome, Mama.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Goodbye, T-Rex.
Goodbye. There you go. So now we have the T-Rex in the egg. Look, it's a baby T-Rex. Is this baby this T-Rex's?
No.
Is this Mama T-Rex?
No, big T-Rex.
Is this T-Rex this T-Rex's baby?
No, T-Rex bigger.
Whose baby is this?
Baby biggest.
Biggest? What's that?
Big.
Big? Big T-Rex?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ha ha ha. Wow.
Whose baby is this then?
T-Rex.
Yeah, this is Mama T-Rex. This is Mama T-Rex?
No, too big a T-Rex.
This is a big T-Rex. Okay. Maybe the Velociraptor wants to eat the egg. Velociraptor wants to eat baby T-Rex.
No.
Give me baby T-Rex.
T-Rex.
I want to eat eat your baby T-Rex. Gimme. Where is it? Oh no!
Yay!
Where did the baby go?
Because baby
Hi
dog.
baby. Hi mama. Thank you for saving me. Mama T-Rex saved the baby, or else the velociraptor would have eaten it. Right?
I saw Vegas. Look at the hand.
Ooh, look at the hands. So scary. Look at the sharp teeth. I'm going to show everybody the sharp teeth. Look at the sharp teeth.
Oh,
Everybody's so scared. We're gonna take your baby. We're gonna take the baby and go.
no take babies.
No take baby?
No more take baby. You for you.
Okay, don't cry. That's okay. It's just a game. Don't cry.
Don't take the babies.
No take babies. You can't take the baby T-Rex. Mama T-Rex gonna hit it.
No more did it. Not Batman.
Okay, go away, bad man. Go away, bad man. It's okay, Baba. Just pretend playing. That's okay. You don't have to cry.
Not dancing.
You just pretend. We're just pretending.
No.
It's okay.
It's one.
You won. Don't cry.
You
Look.
won.
Look in the camera. Say no crying. Say no crying.
Yeah.
Say no crying. Show everybody your smile. It's so cute. Where's your walrus teeth? Yeah. Where's your sharky teeth? Where's your shark teeth?
Meow.
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 Say okay. Bye, everybody. Say bye.
Bye.
See you later.
See you later.
Say subscribe.
Super strike.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Kissy, kissy.
Mm.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
We hope you liked the video. If you did like it, please subscribe to CZAR's channel. Yes? You want to give a high five to everyone?
Five.
High five, everyone. Bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Have a good day.